Hey everyone, I'm Richard from Circle Furniture, and today we're going to talk about how to care for your leather furniture. Here at Circle Furniture we sell a lot of leather products, and people often ask us how to care for them. So let's talk about some of the basics that you can do to keep your leather looking good longer. So one of the basics is just simply dusting and vacuuming. You don't want to have dust build up, it's abrasive. What we recommend is just a mildly damp cloth and clean it frequently. An occasional vacuum's a great idea, especially on a piece like this that has tufting in it. So what about spills on leather? One of the most important things is to wipe it up as quickly as you can. One thing I do at home is to keep a small cloth underneath the cushion. So it's there in a pinch, grab it quickly and wipe it right up. That's one of the best things you can do to prevent it from seeping into your furniture. So if you do have a stain, I'd be really cautious about what you put on it. You don't want to use a product such as soft scrub or a Clorox wipe that might have some bleach and you'll discolor it. If there's a specific product available for your furniture, for example, Stressless Furniture makes a leather conditioner specific for their product, and that's fine. But other than that, I'd be really reluctant to use off-the-shelf cleaners unless you test it in a spot that doesn't show. Don't jump right into the front or the top of the sofa. Go to the back, the bottom, the side, someplace where it's not going to show, and always test a product before you use it on the main visible part of your furniture. If you find that you can't get it up, if you've purchased a protection plan, there's an 800 number that you should call immediately to get some help there. If you haven't purchased a protection plan, I still recommend trying to get a professional in if there's a stain that doesn't come right up with the cloth. To find a professional in your area, we recommend just going to Google and look for a professional leather cleaner. Leather is one of the most durable covers you can put on a piece of upholstered furniture. So if you simply wipe up your spills and take good care of it, it can last a very, very long time. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've got questions or comments about your leather furniture, put it in the comment section below.